Alright, you guys, cutting straight to the point. Today is a good day, man. I'll tell y'all why. I got a picture I wanted to show you guys. Make sure you guys are following my Instagram at everything_diesel, because I got a nice picture on there of how it looked with wheels, stock wheels on the back and front. Front lifted 5 inches, back stock it had a little Carolina squat, Cali lean, whatever you call it. I don't know, but the front is done. Okay, I am so happy. The front is done. Oh, let me go grab my flashlight. Alright, you guys, so like I said, the front is done. This looks good. This thing looks good. I'm telling y'all right now. Okay, hear me out. This is nice. This flashlight and camera don't do justice. I cannot wait to make a full video when everything is done, installed, the whole 9 yards. But you can see right now, okay, look at that. Look at the shock, man. It pops in there, like it just sticks out. It's like bam, and then you look at the white on the truck. I think this looks nice. I think it looks really good. Those are Rough Country shocks. Before anybody starts asking, they are Rough Country N3.0 shocks. For those of you that didn't know, Rough Country came out with 3.0 series shocks. It's their new shock. It's supposed to have a better valve body. I guess they're saying it's more comparable to the Bilstein 5100s, because I know a lot of people had complaints about the 2.0 shocks. But yeah, so those are N3.0 Rough Country shocks. Everything, man, I'm telling you, dude, I got you can see the new drop bracket for the track bar right there. You guys already saw the other stuff. Now I'm gonna tell you something real quick. This is how you know if you get a lift kit or whatever, you did it right. Okay, control arms, right? So control arms right there, upper, and then your lower. Okay, now look at how parallel almost they sit to the ground. Okay, that means your axle is pretty spot on in terms of being centered. When it was leveled with the 2.5-inch pucks, there was way more of an incline on them. It actually straightened them out a nice little bit. I'm willing to say about 1 inch, maybe 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches max. This kit definitely helped it out. Now, all right, the camera's at my chest right now. I'm 6'3", so right now it's probably at about a 5-foot level. This is high. It's pretty high. It's not incredibly high for me, but it's high. She's up there, definitely. I thought it was gonna be an issue getting in and out of the truck if I took the rails off, but I don't think it'll be that bad. I don't know yet. I'm still up in the air. So the reason why I'm making this video, because I'm sorry, you guys, I was trying to work my ass off and get the back done, because it doesn't take long, or it's not hard to do the back. It just takes time. And then I ran into the first issue on the back, okay? And it's a small issue. It's nothing crazy. First issue, so you can see right here, these 2 leaf spring bolts, they hold the leaf pack together. I need to take them off so I can put the new pack in, which is going to be the 5-inch one. I need to take that off. So what happened is I got that one off. My bad. I got that one off hunky-dory. Now you go to this one. It spins. The nut spins with the bolt, and there's nothing to hold it on at the bottom. It's just smooth. And I had vice grip, channel locks, I PB blasted both of them before I even started to take them off. But the threads are just so rusty, and I know you guys can't see from the camera the details, but the threads are so rusty. So it is what it is. I'm just gonna cut it off tomorrow. Not a big deal. That's like a 2-minute delay. But it's getting dark outside. It's like 8 o'clock. So I need to clean up anyways. Got a bunch of tools out and stuff. So this is it, guys. The lift, as for big components and stuff, it's almost done. All we got to do, I got to take the original pack off. Over there I have the new 5-inch block. Put it in, install the new screws and bolts that go with it. They gave me some nice beefy, one sec. They gave me some nice beefy, what you call it, hardware right here for that. Brand new leaf packs. So definitely, man, it's getting done. She's gonna sit on jack stands tonight, the rear end, no biggie. The front's been sitting on it like that already. Okay, so that is the update. Let me give you guys show you guys the other side real quick. All right, so this is the other side. Look at that axle dump, dude. That axle dump's gonna be sticking out. I gotta paint all that, man. All that's gonna get painted black, all up in there. Definitely, man. I like it. I like it so much. And then you just see those gold coils just chilling in there. It might look a little goofy and tacky right now, but y'all wait, okay? Don't sleep on me. Wait until the tires are on, the back shocks are installed. I undercoat the frame black. I'm telling y'all, man, it's all gonna come together. I can envision it, you know. You guys gave me some awesome feedback from yesterday's video with the unboxing. You guys really seem to like that. I'm glad you guys liked it. I know I liked it. I'm just giving you guys a walk around. So the truck, she's definitely sitting up higher, okay? So we're making progress, I apologize for it being dark when I give you guys an update. It's just that when I get home from work, it's already about 4:30. I don't get out of here. I don't get outside, get the tools set up. It's almost 4:45, or yeah, 4:45. And then, you know, I'm reading steps, I'm working, I'm doing this all by myself too, by the way. So I haven't really had no help with this. So I take my time, you know, I'm not rushing. It's not a do or die, a bust, you know, so I just do what I got to do. But I definitely want you guys to be part of it. And I know you guys like seeing the update statuses. I know you guys like to see the new parts and stuff that are going on. So this is it, man. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and we will finish out this video. Alright, you guys, hopefully you enjoyed that video. Once again, another day. I'm all dirty, I'm sweaty, I smell bad. It is getting hot out here. You know, if you guys live in the east, especially in the southeast, man, I'm telling you, it is getting hot out here. And it's not that dry Arizona, you know, California heat. I'm talking like that jungle heat, alright? It's coming out now. It was another warm day today. You know, I'm originally from Florida, but I, you know, was in California for almost 5 years, and, you know, I kind of got spoiled out there. Now I came back to the East Coast, you know, my body's still getting all used to it and stuff. You know, growing up as a kid, I was like, this was normal to me. I'd be outside playing around and stuff, and outside in this as if it was nothing. But anyways, this is not about my life story. Anyways, yeah, that's the update, you guys. Tell me what you think. We still have all the parts back here. So definitely tell me what you guys think about this video. Tell me if you can notice a difference in the height for the front. The way it sits right now in the front is pretty much how it's going to sit, except, and it's going to go higher actually, I'm sorry. It's going to go higher because when I put the wheels on, it's probably about a full, man, it's a good difference. It's probably, I think it's at least a 2.5 inch difference in height from the wheels, from the stocks to these ones. So it's definitely going to sit up higher. It has to be more. I just threw that number out. But it's going to get higher and it's going to look amazing. So I'm looking forward to it so much. Once again, thank you guys for watching this video, checking it out. Hey, do me a favor, because this is another video that I'm just filming and I'm going to throw it right on YouTube right now. Make sure you go and check out my Instagram for the channel. Everything _ diesel is on my Instagram. Link is in the bio for my YouTube to go over there. Check it out because you can see a good daytime picture I have of something got my eye. You can see a good daytime picture of when I had the front raised and the back was still squatting. By no means am I going to do it. I can see why somebody would do it, and I see it here all the time, and it's usually with the 1500 trucks. I don't see too many 2500s driving around like that, but that's not for me. But I had a good picture. You guys can see the shocks. You can see it was daylight. It was clear and all that stuff. So thank you guys so much again. Until next time, which is probably going to be either tomorrow. If you guys don't get a video tomorrow, you're not going to get one until Friday, okay? I got class tomorrow and class Thursday. So the next time we will link up is going to be Friday night. Make sure you got the bell notification on your phones or computers, whatever. So every time I put a video up, you get a notification saying I got a new video out, because the next video you guys see, yeah, it's gonna be different. That's all I'm gonna say, okay? So until next time, you guys have a good night. Take it easy, and until next time, peace out.